Looking for cafe-quality coffee at home? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the NESPRESSO Vertuo Pop, Lilac, and Aeroccino3, a compact coffee machine with one-touch brewing and a milk frother for rich, creamy foam. Let's see what makes this coffee duo worth having. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the NESPRESSO Vertuo Pop plus Lilac, rotative water tank, drip tray and cup support, Nespresso capsules box, Nespresso welcome material, Aeroccino3 Milk Frother, manuals and documentation. Product features. Enjoy your favorite coffee with a single press of a button. The NESPRESSO Vertuo Pop automatically handles the entire brewing process, making it quick and effortless to prepare consistently delicious coffee without adjusting any settings manually. The Vertuo Pop Solo uses Nespresso's advanced centrifusion technology, which spins the capsule at high speed during brewing. This unique extraction method blends coffee and water evenly, producing rich flavor, balanced aromas, and a thick, velvety crema with every cup. Whether you prefer a bold espresso or a larger mug of coffee, the Vertuo Pop Solo has you covered. It is compatible with a variety of Vertuo capsules and can brew multiple coffee sizes, automatically selecting the ideal brewing parameters for each one. Designed for convenience, the Vertuo Pop Solo features a compact footprint that fits easily on small countertops without sacrificing performance. Its sleek, modern design and vibrant color options make it a stylish addition to any kitchen while providing premium coffee at the touch of a button. Create smooth, velvety hot or cold milk foam in just seconds for a wide variety of cafe-style beverages. Whether you're making a cappuccino, latte, flat white, or iced coffee, the Aeroccino3 delivers rich, creamy froth with one-touch operation and is easy to clean after use. Technical specifications. Product overview. Machine overview. Indicator blinking summary. Machine off. Machine heating up. Ready mode. Coffee preparation. Concentrated extraction for barista recipes. Software update. Cleaning ongoing. Descaling alert. Reset to factory settings completed. Water tank empty. Machine cooling down after overheating. Machine error. User error. How to use. Fill the removable water tank with fresh drinking water and attach it securely to the machine. Plug the Vertuo Pop Solo into a power outlet, then press the button to turn it on. The indicator light will blink while the machine heats up and becomes steady once it is ready to brew. Lift the lever, insert a compatible NESPRESSO Vertuo capsule, then close and lock the machine. Place a cup or mug under the coffee outlet and press the button once. The machine automatically reads the capsule's barcode and selects the ideal brewing settings to deliver the perfect coffee with rich flavor and a smooth crema. Pour milk into the Aeroccino3 up to the appropriate fill line and attach the lid. Press the button once for hot milk foam or hold it for 2 seconds for cold milk foam. When the frothing cycle is complete, pour the milk into your freshly brewed coffee and enjoy your drink. Once brewing is complete, lift the lever to automatically eject the used capsule into the built-in capsule container. Empty the container and drip tray regularly to prevent buildup, and rinse the water tank with fresh water. Wiping the exterior and running the recommended cleaning cycle from time to time will help keep your Vertuo Pop Solo performing at its best. How to pair? Download and install the Nespresso app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Turn on Bluetooth and connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network, then sign in or create an Nespresso account. Turn on the Nespresso Vertuo Pop and open the Nespresso app. Tap Add a Machine and follow the on-screen instructions to put the coffee machine into pairing mode. Select the Vertuo Pop from the list of available devices and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Once the connection is complete, the app will confirm successful pairing, allowing you to access smart features such as custom cup sizing, temperature adjustment, and maintenance alerts. How to reset? To reset your coffee maker, make sure it's plugged in. Open and close the machine head, then leave the lever in the unlocked position. Press the coffee button 5 times within 3 seconds. The light will confirm the reset, and your machine will be restored to its factory settings. Safety tips. Use indoors only. Avoid hot surfaces. Use the correct voltage. Handle hot liquids carefully. Unplug before cleaning. Use compatible capsules only. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.